Hey friends, it's that time of year. As promised, I'm going to restart our boot camps. The first one we're going to do is Bring a Buddy boot camp. What that means is Wednesday, October 4th, what we're going to do is have a restart class. So we're going to refresh your mind. We're going to reinvigorate your program, get you off to a good start again going into the holiday season. It's wise, it's wisdom to have a strong start right now. So your admission to the class, and you must sign up for this. We've got limited seating in here, okay? Bring a buddy. That could be a family member, it could be a coworker, somebody you know their health is subpar, they need help. And it could be an accountability partner for you. It could be your gal pal, next door neighbor, family member. Doesn't matter. If it's a parent, child, doesn't matter. As long as that person's going to be encouragement to you and lock arms with you on this journey of better health. So they need to be somewhat like-minded, right? But we'll take care of the rest of that here in the clinic. You'll reach out to Kim and send her a message and let her know you're interested, and you will be there in the names of both of you, okay? So let's do that, and let's get ourselves back on track with the pillars of health that support a strong fat-burning metabolism. And I'll see you at class.